magical shoes from a hip-hop Motown dude. Together they had power, they stood up for what was right. But Gramps was getting old and he couldn't keep up the fight. Right. So Gramps and his granddaughter, they went out on the road.
Well, it's been a while since I posted any video of this car. But since then, got it primed up, painted, basically everything stripped down, taken off it. And right now, I'm starting to weld the shock hoops up on it. Alright, we're getting the second shock hoop put on. And just in case you're watching this, Miller, my rod ends, I'm dropping them all into your frame. So if you ever hear a rattle while you're driving, that's why. Done. Drop them in the frame. Alright, what we're doing here is we're gonna notch these bars down, and these are gonna hold like his fuses and all that. And then we're gonna, by notching them, we're gonna be able to bend them down back to this tube and weld them on, and then weld it back up in here, and it should all work out. Well, we got the shock hoops tacked on, both of them tacked on. Got these bars bent down, tacked on. Now we're working on building the braces up for the shock hoops. So I gotta make 2 fish mouths to grab them. If you happen to be watching this and wondering if it's safe to be grinding with all these sparks flying around all these leaves in the fall time, always remember, kids, safety third. Done. Drop them in the frame. Well, there we have it. Got the hoops made up. Got my braces in. Got them tacked on. Problem is, I ran out of welding rod, and it's actually Sunday. It's probably about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna be late for church if I don't hurry up. I'll grab some rod on the way in.
3 weeks later.
Well, I haven't filmed in a while. Miller's car is coming together. It's getting there. It's been cold out. Cold enough my dog's wearing a sweater. Oh, we got the shock bosses in. What we ended up doing is I double sheared a plate and weld it to the shock boss. It should work, and if it doesn't, who cares, because it's Miller's car anyways. But it's coming together. So here's the end of the Miller build for me. Car's all done. For me, Will Miller wanted to finish it. It'll come out good as long as he doesn't wreck it and try to paint it pink or something like that. My feet are starting to hurt. Wild J. Miller getting ready to build his car. Ready?
He helped the kids play every day. His heart was out of sight. So Gramps opened up the bag and took out the magical shoes. He set them on the ground and they soon began to groove. The shoes knew at once they had finally found their man. They hopped right on his feet and he became Hammer Man, Hammer Man, Hammer, Hammer Man, Hammer, Hammer Man, Hammer, Hammer Man.
goodness.